What's up, guys? CRC here with you. Got a little video I just wanted to put together. So, been watching some of Vortex's STRIX videos and been flying a lot of freestyle and micros and stuff lately just because mid-range, long-range, looking for quads and corn and soybeans just isn't very fun. But when you're practicing tricks and you've never even attempted them before and everything like that, you can quickly realize that you are going to start spending a lot of money because props just start breaking and bending and just getting ate up like crazy. Well, that is HQ props. So here is just a compilation of crashes. I've already had like probably 7 or 8 crashes on the Dow Cyclone 5046 props, and you know, I went through about probably 4 bags of the HQ 5 by 4.5 by 3 V1Ss with just taps like this and stuff. They crease, you can bend it back, but they just aren't. They just aren't the same. They get all scuffed up and just everything. But these Cyclones, even though they might not be the best prop that's out there right now. I mean, if you're looking to practice or something like that, I'm telling you, I mean, I have hit this driveway, hit the road, hit trees, and everything, and I'm still on the very first set. I was flying with some buddies of mine the other day, and he was banging into like fences and all kinds of stuff, just flying really aggressive and having a good time, and I think he broke maybe 1 or 2, and they didn't even break. They just bent kind of bad that they were unusable. So for your entertainment, me trying to practice not a true Matty flip, but the one where you kind of like do the Matty split S. And all I have is this wire out there, and it's not that high off the ground, and I've got, a hill and a road and all this other stuff. So I guess I kind of did it like right there and a couple times here. I don't really know what I'm doing. I tried to slow it down. It looks like I'm just kind of like rolling here and then powering. I mean, I'm powering over in reverse, so I guess that's kind of close. I guess I'm catching it. So at least a couple times. But yeah, see, there you go. Another hit, and no jello, no nothing. The props are still just working perfect. So anyway, I'll let you watch the next minute or so if you want to of me being very amusing, a horrible pilot. Talk to you later.